Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys the actual incident that happened to me. This is my 2017 Kia Sedona. Upon turning on my key to start up my car, it won't start. I'm showing you guys. That's my car. This is the key of my car. I'm gonna step on the brake, start it up. You see, it won't start again. It won't start. So it means to say that my battery died already, so I don't have enough juice in my car. The only way for me to start up my engine, I need to use my ASOC. This one is a 5000 ampere. You can buy this from Amazon. You can buy this from eBay, Walmart. But I highly recommend you guys get this from Amazon. It's the best brand. I'm showing you guys. I'm gonna start up my car right now. I'm gonna leave my key inside while I'm going outside, and I'm showing you. To starting this up, you need to go to the side, and that's the side of my jump starter, ASOC. And this is the terminal, the positive and negative. So all I need to do, just hook this up to the side. I'm gonna hook this up. Hook it up like this. You're not gonna make mistake because the other one is square and the other one is a circle. So all you need to do, just press it all the way through. So after you press it all the way through, so as you see, I have 16.2 volts. So the red goes to the positive, and that's the positive terminal. So I'm gonna hook this up right there, and then the black is for the negative. Put it to the negative, and then you need to go to the car, and then you see, go to the car, start up the engine. I'm gonna start up my car right now. Let's see. There you go. Now it starts up easily. As you see, the car ready to start up. My engine just fire up easily using this ASOC. Now you can removing this. You need to negative and the positive. Okay. So after you move, just shut up the your hood. I'm gonna shut up my hood. My car starting right now using this ASOC. You can buy this from Amazon for $50. I got this like 3 years ago. I got this for 49 something, closer to $50. I don't know how much it costs, but this is the best brand that you guys can get. ASOC. It comes with the casing and it comes with the accessory. This is a combine, not only the jump starter, but also it has a an air compressor for your tire. So very nice product that you can use. I highly recommend you guys. Then there's a USB that you can charge your phone for emergency. And charging this, you need to use the USB cable. Okay, again, this is an ASOC power jumper and air compressor or tire compressor. May you guys have a wonderful day today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Kindly share, subscribe to my channel. May God bless you. Bye for now. God bless.